Welcome back, fellow adventurers. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: the Sandbox Sandcoin. In this video from cryptowichard, we will explore the world of gaming, blockchain, and digital assets, and discover how the Sandbox Sandcoin is revolutionizing the gaming industry. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab your gear and let's get started. Let's take a quick look at what the Sandbox is all about. The Sandbox is a user-generated content platform that empowers gamers and creators to build, own, and monetize their gaming experiences on the blockchain. Imagine a vast universe of interconnected virtual lands, where players can build and share their creations, games, and experiences. This is precisely what the Sandbox offers: an open, decentralized metaverse that allows anyone to become a part of the creative process. In the Sandbox, players are not just passive participants, they are the architects of their own virtual worlds. With the power of the platform's intuitive tools, such as the Vox Edit software, players can unleash their creativity and design intricate landscapes, buildings, characters, and even entire game levels. Every virtual land within the Sandbox is unique, allowing players to express their individuality and imagination. Whether you dream of a sprawling medieval kingdom, a futuristic space colony, or a whimsical fantasy realm, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? You can seamlessly connect your land with others, creating a vast interconnected network of experiences where players can explore, collaborate, and compete. But it doesn't stop at building. The Sandbox empowers creators to bring their creations to life through the power of game mechanics and interactions. With the Game Maker software, creators can define rules, objectives, and challenges, turning their virtual lands into immersive games and experiences. Want to design a puzzle-solving adventure, a thrilling racing game, or a social hub for players to interact? The choice is yours. Once your creation is ready, it's time to share it with the world. The Sandbox offers a vibrant and supportive community, where players and creators can showcase their works, receive feedback, and collaborate on larger projects. Imagine collaborating with talented artists, musicians, and developers to create a truly awe-inspiring virtual experience. But it's not just about the creative aspect. The Sandbox also provides opportunities for monetization. By leveraging the power of blockchain technology, players and creators can turn their virtual assets and creations into valuable digital collectibles. Each item, character, or land ownership is represented as a non-fungible token, NFT, ensuring true ownership, scarcity, and authenticity. This means that players can buy, sell, and trade their virtual assets securely on the blockchain, with the platform's utility token, the Sandbox Sandcoin, SAND, serving as the primary currency for these transactions. The Sandbox Sandcoin is at the heart of the platform's vibrant economy. It not only facilitates transactions within the metaverse but also incentivizes and rewards players and creators for their contributions. By engaging with the community, participating in challenges, or showcasing exceptional creations, users can earn sand and unlock new opportunities within the Sandbox ecosystem. In this decentralized metaverse, the boundaries between players and creators blur. Whether you're an aspiring game developer, a passionate artist, or simply someone who enjoys exploring virtual worlds, the Sandbox offers a place where everyone can unleash their creativity, collaborate with like-minded individuals, and potentially turn their hobby into a thriving digital career. So, grab your imagination, join the Sandbox, and embark on a journey where your creativity knows no limits. Welcome to the metaverse of endless possibilities. Now, let's talk about blockchain technology and how it fits into the Sandbox ecosystem. Blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. It provides transparency, security, and ownership rights, making it the perfect foundation for the Sandbox's digital economy. In the context of the Sandbox, blockchain technology plays a crucial role in ensuring the integrity and authenticity of virtual assets and transactions within the metaverse. By utilizing blockchain, the Sandbox creates a transparent and secure environment where players and creators can confidently trade, own, and monetize their digital assets. One of the key advantages of blockchain is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional centralized systems, blockchain operates on a network of computers, known as nodes, distributed worldwide. This decentralized architecture ensures that no single entity has control over the entire network, making it resistant to censorship, manipulation, and fraud. By leveraging blockchain's transparency, the Sandbox guarantees that all transactions and ownership records are visible to all participants. This transparency is vital in establishing trust within the ecosystem, as it enables users to verify the authenticity and history of each virtual asset. Whether it's a rare in-game item, a custom-designed character, or a piece of virtual land, players and creators can have confidence in the ownership rights associated with their digital possessions. Security is another crucial aspect provided by blockchain technology. Due to its cryptographic nature, transactions and data stored on the blockchain are virtually tamper-proof. The decentralized consensus mechanism ensures that any changes to the blockchain require the consensus of the majority of nodes, making it highly resistant to hacking and fraud. This level of security is paramount in a digital economy where the value of virtual assets can be significant. Blockchain technology enables the Sandbox to implement non-fungible tokens, NFTs, for the representation of virtual assets. Each NFT is a unique and indivisible digital token that certifies ownership of a specific asset. In the case of the Sandbox, NFTs represent virtual lands, game items, and other creations within the Metaverse. This ensures that each asset has a distinct identity, can be bought, sold, and traded securely, and cannot be replicated or counterfeited. The integration of blockchain technology into the Sandbox ecosystem also opens up new possibilities for interoperability with other platforms and projects within the broader blockchain and gaming space. By utilizing standardized protocols and smart contracts, the Sandbox can establish seamless connections with other blockchain-based games, virtual worlds, and marketplaces, allowing for the free flow of assets and experiences between different platforms. Blockchain technology forms the backbone of the Sandbox's digital economy, providing transparency, security, and ownership rights to players and creators. By leveraging decentralized ledgers and non-fungible tokens, the Sandbox creates a vibrant, trustworthy, and interconnected metaverse where users can explore, create, trade, and monetize their virtual assets with confidence. It's an exciting glimpse into the future of gaming and digital ownership, powered by blockchain technology. The Sandbox utilizes blockchain to ensure true ownership of digital assets. With the introduction of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, each unique in-game item becomes a digital collectible that can be bought, sold, and traded securely on the blockchain. In traditional gaming, players often invest time and effort in acquiring rare and valuable items within a game. However, the ownership of these items is typically limited to the confines of the game's ecosystem, with little to no control outside of it. This creates a barrier between virtual and real-world value. By leveraging blockchain technology and NFTs, the Sandbox breaks down this barrier and empowers players with true ownership of their digital assets. Each in-game item within the Sandbox is represented as a unique NFT, a digital token that certifies ownership and authenticity. With NFTs, players can buy, sell, and trade their virtual assets in a secure and transparent manner. The blockchain acts as an immutable ledger that records the ownership history and transaction details of each NFT. This means that players have complete control over their assets and can prove their ownership beyond any doubt. The introduction of NFTs transforms in-game items into digital collectibles with real-world value. Just like physical collectibles such as trading cards or rare memorabilia, these digital assets can appreciate in value over time, creating opportunities for players to invest in their virtual collections. The Sandbox provides a marketplace where players can showcase their NFTs and engage in buying, selling, and trading activities. This decentralized marketplace allows for direct peer-to-peer transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries and providing players with full control over their assets and the value they derive from them. NFTs bring a new level of creativity and customization to the gaming experience within the Sandbox. Players can personalize their characters, outfits, and accessories using NFTs, making their avatars unique and reflecting their individual style. This further enhances the sense of ownership and self-expression within the metaverse. It's important to note that the value of NFTs is driven by the community's recognition and demand for specific assets. The scarcity, uniqueness, and desirability of certain items can significantly impact their market value. This dynamic market creates opportunities for players to engage in trading and investment strategies, potentially turning their virtual assets into valuable digital holdings. The Sandbox's utilization of blockchain technology and NFTs revolutionizes the concept of ownership in gaming. It empowers players with true ownership and control over their digital assets, allowing for secure transactions and creating new avenues for creativity, self-expression, and even financial opportunities within the metaverse. The introduction of NFTs transforms in-game items into valuable digital collectibles, bridging the gap between virtual and real-world value. How is the Sandbox Sandcoin different from other cryptocurrencies or gaming tokens? It's an excellent question that highlights the unique qualities of the Sandbox Sandcoin within the digital asset landscape. First and foremost, the Sandbox Sandcoin, or SAND, is specifically designed for the gaming and virtual world ecosystem. While other cryptocurrencies and gaming tokens may serve broader purposes or specific games, SAND is deeply integrated into the Sandbox platform. It serves as the primary currency for buying, selling, and trading virtual lands, assets, and services within the metaverse. The integration of SAND within the Sandbox creates a seamless and efficient economy where players and creators can participate in transactions and monetize their activities. From purchasing virtual lands and rare in-game items to rewarding creators for their contributions, SAND acts as the fuel that drives the economic activities within the platform. The Sandbox Sandcoin operates on the Ethereum blockchain, benefiting from its established infrastructure, security, and interoperability. Ethereum is a well-known and widely adopted blockchain network that supports smart contracts, enabling advanced functionalities and interactions within the Sandbox ecosystem. This integration ensures that SAND can be easily utilized and exchanged within a broader blockchain ecosystem, providing flexibility and accessibility for users. Another differentiating factor of the Sandbox Sandcoin is its utility-driven nature. SAND is not merely a speculative asset, it has tangible use cases within the platform. Players and creators can earn SAND through various activities, such as participating in challenges, achieving milestones, or showcasing exceptional creations. This incentivizes engagement and rewards community members for their contributions, fostering a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem. The use of SAND aligns with the Sandbox's vision of empowering creators and providing them with opportunities for monetization. Creators can offer their services, such as designing custom avatars or game assets, in exchange for SAND. This enables talented individuals to leverage their skills and creativity to earn a living within the metaverse. The Sandbox Sandcoin also benefits from a supportive and active community. The platform encourages collaboration, interaction, and engagement among community members, creating a network effect that adds value to the SAND token. As more players and creators join the Sandbox, the demand for SAND increases, potentially driving its value and utility within the ecosystem. The Sandbox Sandcoin distinguishes itself from other cryptocurrencies and gaming tokens through its integration into the Sandbox platform, its use within the gaming and virtual world ecosystem, and its utility-driven nature. The deep integration with Ethereum ensures interoperability and security, while the tangible use cases of SAND provide real-world value and opportunities for players and creators. It's a token that represents the backbone of the Sandbox's vibrant economy and community, fueling creativity, engagement, and monetization within the metaverse. The Sandbox Sandcoin not only serves as the primary currency within the Sandbox ecosystem but also enhances the gaming experience in several ways. Let's explore how SAND enriches the gaming experience within the Sandbox. First and foremost, SAND provides players with a sense of ownership and control over their in-game assets and virtual land. By utilizing SAND, players can purchase and own virtual lands within the Sandbox metaverse. These lands become their creative canvas, allowing them to build and design unique environments, games, and experiences. The ability to own and customize virtual lands adds a layer of personalization and immersion to the gaming experience, giving players a sense of pride and identity within the metaverse. SAND enables players to acquire rare and valuable in-game items, expanding their gameplay options and enhancing their characters' abilities or aesthetics. Through the Sandbox marketplace, players can use SAND to buy and sell these items, creating a dynamic virtual economy. The ability to trade and invest in rare items adds depth and excitement to the gaming experience, as players can strategize and pursue valuable assets that can appreciate in value over time. Sand facilitates social interactions and collaborations within the sandbox. Players can use Sand to hire talented creators for custom designs, such as unique avatars or game assets, fostering a sense of community and enabling players to express their individuality. Collaborating with others using Sand as a medium of exchange allows for shared experiences, creative partnerships, and the realization of larger-scale projects within the Metaverse. Sand also acts as a reward mechanism within the sandbox. Players and creators can earn Sand through various activities, such as participating in challenges, achieving milestones, or showcasing exceptional creations. This incentivizes engagement and rewards community members for their contributions, fostering a supportive and vibrant ecosystem where talent and creativity are acknowledged and valued. Sand integrates with the platform's governance system, allowing holders to participate in the decision-making process. Holders of Sand tokens have the opportunity to influence the development and evolution of the Sandbox platform through voting and governance mechanisms. This democratic approach empowers the community and ensures that player and creator voices are heard in shaping the future of the Metaverse. The Sandbox Sandcoin enhances the gaming experience within the sandbox by providing a medium of exchange for virtual land ownership, rare item acquisition, and creative collaborations. It fosters a sense of ownership, personalization, and pride, while also driving engagement and rewarding contributions within the Metaverse. The integration of Sand adds depth, excitement, and community-driven decision-making to the gaming experience, making the sandbox a dynamic and immersive platform for players and creators alike. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.